Welcome to my channel. There are many different types of AmazerBath bath shower loofah sponge available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Be sure to read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Strong knotting design. The improved version of the loofah adopts special reinforcement and knotting technology, which greatly enhances the firmness and durability of the internal connection of the bath sponge. Ideal body cleaning set. The exfoliating bath sponge is made of soft PE material, which is strong and not easily deformed. It can gently remove dirt, dead skin, excess oil, and residue from the skin and pores, making the skin softer and smoother. Extra large size. Each body sponge loofah is about 75 grams and measures about 5.9 inches. The 75 grams loofahs are larger than a standard bath ball, and their super soft and dense structure creates a richer lather for a more comfortable bath time. Nice foaming effect. The AmazerBath loofah sponge has a dense, fluffy mesh that allows you to create a rich and luxurious lather with just a small amount of body wash or soap. Using AmazerBath loofah can save you 20% of the shower gel. Multiple colors. There are 4 elegant colors in the shower loofah pack, so you can choose the color you like to match your bathroom decor. It is also a great idea to give these shower sponges to friends and family as gifts. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.